Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy, where our goal is to empower, educate, and elevate you to create a life that you love through the art and business of photography. In this video, we're going to take a look at a new feature inside of Photoshop CC 2018. But first, make sure you join us in our free private Facebook community. The link is below. Let's press B on the keyboard in order to access the brush tool. And what I want you to notice is in the Tool Options bar, there's a new feature called Smoothing. I'm going to take this smoothing down to 0% so I can show you what it was like before CC 2018. And as I sign my name with my stylus on my Wacom tablet, you'll notice that it's just kind of rough and choppy and it doesn't look very nice. So I'm going to undo that and take the smoothing from 0% all the way up to 100, and also check the settings and make sure that stroke, catch up, and adjust for zoom are checked. You can certainly experiment with these other settings. I've just found that these ones work the best. Now, as I start to sign my name, you'll notice that there is a purple line attached to my cursor that helps drag the brush along. Well, it's just much smoother. I don't know how else to describe it. It looks so much better with the smoothing than it did previously. But let's take this one step further and see how we might be able to apply this. Let's say you sign your name, your business name, whatever you would like. I'm going to turn off layer 0. Crop this image by pressing C on the keyboard and just dragging the canvas like such, and then pressing enter or return on the keyboard. And now what I would like to do is go to edit and create a brush preset with my signature so I can apply it to images or templates or anything that I might be working on. I'm going to name this signature and say okay, and you see I now have a brush with my name, but let's try to apply this to an image. I wouldn't recommend doing that on the background layer, so I'm going to create a new blank layer by pressing Command, Option, Shift N. That's Control Alt Shift N on the PC, so I have a new blank layer. And now I can click and place my name wherever I would like. Obviously, you could reduce the opacity of that, and what's even more fun is you can change the color. Because this is a brush preset, you can do whatever you would like with it, which I think is really fun. You could even select a color from inside the image, say okay, and place your name there. Again, the opacity was down on this layer. If I take it back up to 100%, you can see what that looks like. This could actually be quite fun. Let me undo those. The Command Option Z, that's Control Alt Z on the PC, and I'm going to place my name down here and then press Command T in order to transform this and maybe take it at a different angle. You can make it bigger or smaller. Press enter or return to commit. I think it's just fun to have a brush preset that's your name. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.